In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily change button colors on your Squarespace website. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and how to choose colors that match your brand, all using the built-in Squarespace tools. Start by opening your site in the editor and navigating to any page that has a button on it. Click the button on the page to bring up its options. Then click the small pencil icon to enter edit mode for that section. This makes sure you're adjusting the design in the right context, so what you see matches what visitors will see. Next, open the design panel. Inside design, select primary button. This is the global style for your site's primary call to action buttons. Choosing this ensures your changes apply consistently across your site wherever the primary style is used. Then choose edit button styles. This is where Squarespace groups style controls like size, shape, and what we're here for, color. Now, use the back arrow at the top of the panel to return to the main Site Styles menu. From there, open Colors by clicking the arrow next to it. Colors control the palette for each section of your website, and buttons inherit their colors from these palettes. Look at the section with your button and note which color theme that section is using. You'll typically see a name like light, dark, or a custom palette label. This is important because changing the button color happens inside that specific theme. Open the color theme that matches your section and scroll until you find the button settings. This area controls the button's background and text colors for that theme. Click the current color swatch to open the color picker. If you want a precise brand color, switch to custom. Custom lets you fine-tune the hue, enter a hex code, or adjust brightness and saturation for exact control. Select the color you want for your button. As you adjust, watch the live preview on your page so you can confirm the button remains readable and stands out against the section background. A quick tip as you choose: aim for strong contrast between the button background and the text, especially for accessibility and readability. If your background is light, a bold, darker button often works best, and vice versa. Also, stay consistent with your primary brand color so your most important call to action is instantly recognizable across your site. That's it. Your button color now matches your chosen palette and will update wherever that color theme and primary button style are used. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.